Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS self-study step by step. First, it's crucial to understand the exam's structure. The IELTS test has 4 main sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each section has specific time limits and unique question types. Knowing these details helps you manage your time effectively and understand what examiners are looking for. This foundational knowledge is your first step towards success. Next, focus on building your core language skills. Dedicate time daily to expanding your vocabulary. Try to learn 10 to 15 new words and actively use them. Review grammar rules, paying close attention to areas where you often make mistakes. Additionally, immerse yourself in English by listening to podcasts, watching news, or enjoying movies to naturally improve your listening and comprehension. Regular practice tests are essential for self-study. Take full-length tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam and build your stamina. After each test, thoroughly review your answers to understand where you went wrong. This analysis helps you pinpoint weak areas. Also, develop specific strategies for each section, like skimming and scanning for reading, or structuring your arguments for writing tasks. Finally, dedicate focused attention to speaking and writing. Practice speaking English daily for at least 15 minutes, perhaps with a study partner, to improve fluency and confidence. For writing, regularly compose essays and reports, ensuring clear structure and logical flow. Consider recording yourself speaking to identify and correct pronunciation issues and enhance your overall delivery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.